What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, and as you can see, this background's a little different. I'm in the house this time starting the video because, let me see if I can show y'all. That's what the weather is outside. You know what I'm saying? It's a little break, so I ain't going out there. But today, we're going to pick up a new vehicle, not for me, for my brother, but you will see it on the channel. So, nevertheless, we're about to take a trip over to Alabama to grab it. It's probably like a 2-hour drive. It's actually a little early right now, too. I don't know if y'all can see that. A little early for my liking, but hey, you know, content is content. So we about to go grab this car. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Interact with your boy. Comment, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And let's get into this video. You ready to go grab a car, twin?
Yeah.
You feel me? Barely see me. We just not getting here. Walking up to the car right now, seeing what's up with it. Alabama a little bit different. That's all I'm gonna say. 87, spotless too. All original, everything. T-top. Woo! Got this in the cut too. We can't pass up on that. Cool old school classic with the vet motor in it. Ooh. Like it came straight out of him. Right. Come on.
That's what I said.
Come on. A lot of money in the vehicle. Yeah, he still record stuff. Look. That's hard. This is an accomplishment. This is the stuff that I used to strive to do. Just kind of lost passion in it a little bit. We done went through a history lesson. Now we finna try to get this car started up. Oh, Camino.
It probably ain't the same color. It might be that one coming from the alternator.
Could no, that come from the choke on the carburetor there.
That's coming from the alternator.
What that blue one connected to? What you got in your hand?
I don't know. Yeah, I think it was going to that.
It's gonna take a little bit of work, but cool little car. I'll have him explain the history behind it. The interior, I don't think I ever showed y'all the interior. She needs some work all the way around, but should make for another fun project on the channel. You dig what I'm saying? It took long enough, but we finally got it up on the trailer. Ready to ride. Now we headed back home with it. You excited?
Yes, sir.
You feel me?
Put all of this talk out for land. Side my dog.
You been talking about whips. This one in particular.
Next year. Next year sometime by the end of the year.
You sure?
Probably before that.
You heard that, right?
I heard.
We gonna see.
Kick my scat pack ass then.
Say it again.
He ready to kick my scat pack and to get it ready in there.
You feel me? I'm gonna be. He said you gonna be kicking his scat pack. I'm gonna be running with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I ain't worried about it. Do whatever you want to it. You still losing.
Oh, shit.
And Infinity ain't no hoe.
You ain't got me, but I'm making my beat.
He forgot to tap it. You gotta tap it for good luck. That ain't going nowhere. We out. We back in Georgia now. Equipped with all these toolboxes and tools and shit, tool bags, and didn't need none of it. Buddy got here. Damn, what? Buddy got her. What? I can't talk. Buddy got us out here trying new shit. I ain't never heard of this before. It's called Jack's. I'm trusting you too. It looked like Hardee's. Something like that. To some degree.
No.
Nope.
I don't know, something. I guess that would be in the fryer or something. Chicken, grilled chicken.
There ain't nothing left. Nothing. Yes. 10 out of 10. Got the mug back. You might have a little critter or something staying back here for real. Them acorns and little nest and shit they made out of the interior.
Motherfucker ate them wires.
Yeah.
Them wires.
They must have made themselves at home. But just need a little TLC. Good Bondo work. Start over with the interior. See if we can get the engine to turn over. Sure, whatever it is done jumped out by now.
That off, yeah. Hope jumped out on 20. Nigga ate through them wires I bought.
She ain't too far from home, you know what I'm saying? She right around the corner from old Geneva here. Man, I miss driving this thing. We're gonna get it back right soon. We've been talking about some solutions to the problem, but when we get it back right, she on the road telling you. Why did you choose this car in particular?
Came on my granny shit, so I had to, I had to get back to my roots.
And as you keeping the 305 of you, LS swapping the world.
I ain't made up my mind yet. So, I might go LS, might go 3-stroker. I don't really know. What you think I should do?
Send it. Keep that and send it. Send that to the moon.
I have an LS waiting.
There you go.
I put much nitrous on that and try to blow it up. If it don't blow
That's
up,
what I'm saying.
Have fun doing it.
Can send it. That's what was on the windshield of that Infinity.
I got some stickers too. Say built not bought.
There you go.
I had them already waiting for this. Now I gotta buy one that say bought not built.
It's not much to it. We tried to get it running earlier, but as you see, it's a big cluster of wire, so we got to sort through and figure that out. But from yeah, that's about the size of it. Squirrels going wild. There's several wires that are just through. You got coils, coil plugs that's been cut. You had a field day. Cool little project though. That brings us to the end of this video. We got a new project on the channel, so we're gonna start messing with it soon, getting it cleaned up, seeing if we can get it started. And then we still got Geneva, so we got content rolling out. If y'all enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And it's your boy J-Lo out of this guy.
Okay, so make them run it back.